In this video, I want to be showing you how to download WordPress from the repository website and also install the same WordPress software on your remote server. Okay, so let's get it done. The first thing I will do is to go to my browser and then type WordPress. Then I'll go to, there are two types. We have WordPress.com and then WordPress.org. This WordPress.com is where you actually pay to have access to run WordPress on the WordPress paid server. Okay, you can decide to have your custom domain name, or you use a provided domain name, which will be like your their own domain name / your own name. But that's not what I want to do. We want to download it so we can actually upload it to our own server. So you are going to WordPress.org, which is this. Just click here. So once you're there, just scroll down to this place. See here. Let's click on download WordPress. This is 6.11. Which of course this can only run on a server that has 7.4 PHP software. So I'll just click here. It's going down. So we have it already. It's downloaded. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click here, go to my download history. You can see I have it here. Okay, still downloading. You can see I have it here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my server here. And this was where we were last in the last section. So I'll just come back here, click on cPanel. Then I scroll down. Then go to File Manager here. Regardless of the server you are using, they all share similar thing in common. Just move to where you can access your public _ HTML folder or the local directory. Okay, I come to File Manager here, Files, File Manager. Alright, click on public _ HTML. Click on it. Alright, so just come here, so upload. Then click on File. Then I navigate to where I have my files. Here, today, I click on it. You can see it's a zip file, it's a zip folder. So I'll just say open. Okay, so we have it. Next thing I'm going to do, go back to here, click on reload. Where's my reload? Reload. Yeah, we have it here. So the next thing I'll do is to select it and extract it here. Okay, click on close. I'll click back again to reload. I have successfully extracted the zip folder. Now I have this, so I don't need this anymore. I'll just click on this and I say delete. So Now, if you observe, the WordPress is actually, the WordPress files are located within WordPress folder, and that's not what I want. What I want is a case when someone clicks on the website, they just, once they land on my domain name, they land on the website. So if I want someone to access the website by clicking, let's say my domain name is syz.com, all right, and I want them to access the website directly there, I will unpack this WordPress files here, empty it just right here. But if I want them to, let's say, from syz.com/WordPress, then I will leave it the way it is. Okay, but what I intend to do is to have it on my domain name /blog. That's what I intend to do. So to do that, I'll just come here, I'll either just right click here and then rename this directory, or I'll create a new one and move the files there. But of course, the same thing. So I'll just say rename and I call it blog. So my site could be accessed as my domain name .com/blog. Okay, say, or my domain name directly. See, this way. So I have it this way, but I want it to be on a root directory, so that once someone clicks on my domain name, let's say syz.com, they will see my blog. All right, so I change that. I'll open the folder, select all, and I'll say move. So I'll delete this. What it means, I'm moving entire files from the blog folder to my public_HTML. So if I go back here, if I say back, you see I have everything here. Meanwhile, this folder is now empty. So let's go back and then let's delete it. Right click, delete. Okay, so we have successfully achieved that. So what I'll do, I'll have to launch the URL directly on the browser to see what happens. To do that, I'll just close this and launch to a new browser. Still use the same one. Okay. Okay, it brought me here. So what it means is that it won't start installation. So what I'll do now is to just come over here, click on continue. Then WordPress asking me if I have this information: database, name, username, password, and host. Of course, in the previous video, the first one, we had all those things. So I'll just come here and click let's go. Okay, I'll supply this information now. Alright, so I'll do that. Okay, I've added all the information we had earlier. You can see they're all here. So I'll just come over here and then click on submit. Right, if you mix this part where these information were created, check in the video. We'll see where you see a video how to create your database. Very short video. You'll be able to see how this was set up before we arrive at this stage. Okay, so I'll click here, I'll say submit. Great. All right, so we have successfully passed that level. So the next thing is to proceed to running the installation. I'll click here, run the installation. Good. Now WordPress is asking us to provide the name of our website, of our blog. So I'll just say sorry. Okay, and my username, I'll call it Okay, let me use my name. Okay, password. Let me use clean home. Okay, so I don't forget this. I'll copy it and put it somewhere here. Password. Alright, so don't forget that. So the next thing I will do, I have to tell WordPress that I know his password appears weak, but please accept it. Okay, an email address, I pick my email address. Okay, I don't want search engine to index this, so I will say discouraged. So the next thing I'll do, I'll just come here and click install WordPress. Great, we have successfully installed WordPress. If I click login now, it's going to take me right there. You can see this is it. Okay, if I click login, congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress. Okay, so that's how to install WordPress. If you want to see how it looks like in the front, just come over here, click on visit site. This is what a typical fresh installation of WordPress look like in December 10, 2022. So now it's not looking too fantastic the way you want it to look like for you, but in the next video we'll look at installing WordPress theme DB Builder, which is what we're using for this website. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.